Today we're doing a reset your life reset day. I feel like reset days are really perfect to do, like I feel like a perfect day to do it is on a Sunday, because it's like the day before the beginning of the week. And also, I like the past couple of months, right, my favorite, I don't know if maybe it's been since January, but my favorite day of the week is Monday. And like I woke up on Sunday and I was like, I've got things that I need to get done before we enter into the week. So one of those things were I needed to sort out my kitchen worktop. I don't like cereal boxes, even if it's like cereal boxes that I just they just sit in their worktop's fine. Just you have cereal boxes there. I don't like cereal boxes. Cereal boxes need to go in a cupboard. So I have to sort out my worktop. I need to clean my fridge because I'm going to go and do the food shop, and I haven't cleaned the fridge in quite a while, and I love a clean fridge. Also, yeah, I need to scrub my carpet because I got new carpets recently, and I got a new vacuum cleaner, which I absolutely adore. I love my vacuum cleaner, you guys. I need to clean both bathrooms because it's part of my routine since last year. I need to like clean the bathrooms on the weekends. To tackle my laundry, but I won't be able to tackle it all in one day. It's just going to be something I'm going to be tackling the rest of the week. Okay, we're doing a reset Sunday. We're also continuing with into the week and trying to get my laundry basket low, because you know when you don't do your laundry for like 2 or 3 days, it throws you off balance. you.